And hi, welcome back to another episode of STEM Studio. I'm your host, Mr. Harris, and we are right here at Renaissance Youth Center. And I got some special guests here today, so I want you to tell me your name and how old you are. Yeah.
My name is Munan. I'm 6 years old.
All right.
My name is Falma. I'm 6 years old.
All right.
My name is Abga, and I'm 6 years old.
All you guys are 6. So you guys are in kindergarten or first grade?
Kindergarten.
Kindergarten.
First grade.
First grade.
First grade.
First grade. All right. Cool. So I want to know what you guys have been learning. So what should I start with? Let me start here. What is this?
A mango plant.
A mango plant. Okay. And what is that I see? Is that the seed?
That's the mango seed.
That's the mango seed. What do we call this?
The stem.
The stem. I like that. And what do we call this?
The leaf.
The leaf. The leaf. And what do we call this stuff that is in?
Soil.
Soil. And what do you have to give a plant in order for it to grow? Yes.
Sunlight.
You gotta give it sunlight, right? And so inside, if you don't have sunlight, we can give it like UV light, right? Or we can hang it really close to this and hopefully it'll grow, right? Nice.
Yeah.
Well, that's nice. We're gonna put this guy to the side and hopefully it'll grow big enough so we can get, what kind of plant is this again?
Mango.
Mangoes, and I like mangoes. All right, so cool. That's our mango plant. And here, what is this?
A butterfly life cycle.
So talk to me about the butterfly life cycle. So how did it get to become a butterfly? It started with what?
An egg.
An egg.
Caterpillar.
Then it goes to a caterpillar.
Chrysalis.
Caterpillar. Caterpillar. Yes, then what?
Chrysalis.
Who?
Chrysalis.
Chrysalis? Okay, which one is that? That's this?
Yes.
Okay, then what?
Butterfly.
Then the butterfly, and that's the butterfly. And these are the wings of the butterfly. And what do we have here? We got the antennas of the butterfly.
Yep.
Right? And this is a stick that butterflies have to hang out on. This is nice. Did you guys get a chance to watch this whole thing happen?
Yes.
Yeah. Right. And when you first got them, what did they eat?
They eat
Nectar. Right? Did you guys let them loose outside?
Yes, we
Yes.
did.
Nice. All right, guys, these are my kinders and first graders. Amazing. So all of us can learn and know about science, and it's okay not to know. And put in the comments anything you want us to know or learn or things that we forgot to talk about. All right? Cool. On that note, thank you for tuning in. See you on the next STEM Studio. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.